Okay, hello children. How are you today? Fine. Yes, I'm waiting for my children to get into the class. Who is ready? I am here. Hello. Welcome. Okay, who is here today? I don't see anybody. Who is here? I. Bueno. So, we have many things to do in our science class. We are going to continue. Thank you, Hero. We are going to continue our work with materials. You know that last week we were talking about the vocabulary about materials, and you did classification of things that you have that they are made of wood, metal, plastic, wood, wool. So today we're going to continue our class. I sent you a video about materials. I would like to know who saw the video. Hmm? I don't know if all of you saw the video. I hope so because we we need to know what are we going to talk about with our video. Can somebody answer if you watch the video? Because I have here my video. I have the video here, but I don't know if I can put it. Okay, let's remember the video. Rainy songs. I'm going to put here in the. Let's see if we. What have I got here? It's a spoon. What's the material? It's made of metal. What object is this? It's a bag. What's it made of? It's plastic. Objects are things, a clock, a TV. Matter makes them up all things, you and me. Some materials are hard, some are soft, some are smooth, and some are rough. Objects are things, like a clock, a TV. Matter makes them up all things, you and me. Some materials are shiny, some are dull, some float, some sink like a straw. Materials matter. Materials matter. Materials are made of matter. Materials are made of matter. What have I got here? A bowl. The materials. What? And what's it made of? It's wool. What object is this? It's a jumper. Objects are things, a clock, a TV. Matter makes them up all things, you and me. Some materials are hard, some are soft, and some are smooth, some are rough. Objects are things, like a clock, a TV. Matter makes them up all things, you and me. Some materials are shiny, some are dull, some float, some sink like a straw. Materials matter. Materials matter. Materials are made of matter. Materials are made of matter. What object is this? It's a cup. The materials. Ceramic. And what are you? Oh, I'm human. And what you made of? Stuff. Objects are things, a clock, a TV. Matter makes them up, all things, you and me. Some materials are hard, some are soft, some are smooth, and some are rough. Objects are things like a clock, a TV. Matter makes them up, all things, you and me. Some materials are shiny, some are dull, some float, some sink like a stone. Materials matter, materials matter. Materials are made of matter. Materials are made of matter. Hi, I hope you enjoyed that song. It would be lovely if you left some comments. Sorry. Great. So I know that you watched the video about the materials property. So today we are going to work with that topic. Our topic is materials and their properties. But the first thing that we have to learn is the vocabulary so we can understand everything that we are going to work. In this moment, you are not going to use your notebook, you are not going to write, you are going to listen and you are going to watch what I have for the class, okay? So let's begin. Okay, Pauli said that she watched the video. Excellent, Pauli. So let's begin with the vocabulary that we have for materials property. If you haven't seen the video, I need you to watch the video, okay? Okay, so here, as I told you, we are not going to use the notebook, we are not going to write. We are going to listen and watch. Okay, everything in the world is made of matter. Matter, okay. That's why we are going to learn about the materials and their properties. Okay, because all the materials you can see them. I can see everything. I am going to paste it on my whiteboard. I can see. I can touch. I can touch. Because, for example, if I have the scissors, I can see the scissors, I can touch the scissors, or I can measure my scissors. Look, for example, I measure, this measures 13. Yes. So all the materials that we have around our world, we can measure. We can measure. We can touch. Look, I can close my eyes, and if I have this, I'm sorry, I can feel that, and I can say, oh yes, this is a pencil and it has an eraser on top. Very good. Or, so it means that I can touch the pencil and I can say if it is long or short or wide or thin. Very good. And I can see the pencil or I can see the scissors, and I can say about something about the scissors. The scissors are made of metal and plastic. They are blue, they are short, or I can to take the pencil and I can say, oh, it's yellow, it's long, and it has an eraser on the top, but I can see the pencil if I can, because all of the objects, they have different properties, okay? So, now, one of the most properties that we have for the objects are, for the object is that it can be smooth. Don't worry, I am going to show you what is smooth with something real. Okay, I can have, when I can touch, I can say that object is smooth, okay? Listo. Then I have another property of an object that it can be rock. I can see the object and I can say that object is rock, or I can touch and I can say is rock. Okay? Don't worry, I am going to show you the word and something that is rock. But first, I am going to show you the words alone. Okay? So, well, then we have the other word that is shiny. It's shiny. In this one, I can see, I can touch. I don't think so. Oh, yes, we can measure too. We can measure. Okay. Shiny, shiny. Or I can have another property, as I was showing you. My scissors, they are hard. Okay? This is another property of the objects or materials. So, I have the word hard. Another one that we all love, especially the girls, when we have our teddy, when we have our is soft. I want you to repeat after me. Soft. That is very soft, and I can feel with my hands or with my skin that is soft. Okay. So let's repeat. I am going to show you again the flashcards. Okay, so it is smooth. What is it? Smooth. Don't worry that I am going to show you the object that is smooth. But first, I am going to show you the words. Okay? So, smooth. Did you repeat? Smooth. Very good. Remember, begins with sound, not with a. Smooth, we don't say. Smooth. The first sound is smooth. Okay. Very, very good. Then I have hard. Heart, remember. Heart. Heart. Okay, good. Repeat, no? Don't forget to repeat the words. Heart. Excellent. Now we have soft. 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 Did you repeat? The next one is shiny. Shiny. Okay, repeat. Shiny. Very good. Excellent. Very, very good. Okay, shiny. And the next one that we have is rough. 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 See the ending sound? We have GH, but it doesn't sound like that. Rough. Okay. Repeat, please. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Now I have what do I have here? Something that I have in this bag. What do you think so I have in this bag? I want to read. Somebody's going to write down to tell me what do I have here in this bag. Look, that bag is it big or small? Is it big or small, the bag? It is big. Very good. Bag. Do you know what do I have here? No? Well, I am going to show you. Da, 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 da. I have here look, I am going to hide. Look what I have here. What is this? Do you know what is this? No? It is a feather. Very good. Yes, it's a feather. And this feather has a property. Do you know what property has? Do you know what property this feather has? I want to see. Who can tell me what property? Excellent. Yes. Our feather is soft. That's right. This feather is soft. Very good. Excellent. Mariana, very good. So I'm going to put my word here with the picture of the feather that is soft. So that one is, now I have more objects here. More. This is something mommy uses every single day in the kitchen. And this is, what is it? See, I can touch, I can see, and I can measure. What property of this object? What is it? Yes, it's the green one. The green one. The green side. This green. Excellent. Yes, it's rough. Excellent. This sponge is rough. And I can see and I can touch. Very good. Excellent. The sponge is rough. Let me see how I am going to paste. Rough. Excellent. Now I have more things in my beautiful bar. I have this. What is it? It's a lid. Yes. And is it what? What can we say about this? This lid. Look, it has a lion. Can you see the lion? It's a perfume. It's the lid of a box. And what material, what property? Excellent. Excellent. It's hard. Very good. Yes, the lid is hard. Hard. Very good. It's hard. Very, very good. So I am going to paste my card, my flashcard, and I am going to paste the lid that is hard. Well, do you think so? I have more objects here? Well, yes, I have more. Okay, yes, the glass is hard. Very good, Juan Diego, yes. Okay. And this one, it is, I have here. Oh, what is this? Ooh, this is too long. See, that I can measure. And what is it? What is this? Who uses this? What is this? Something that we wear here on our... This is Francisco's tie. And look, what property? Excellent. It's hard. Excellent. It's a tie. And what property this one has? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? It is, yes, soft, rough, okay, but it's smooth. I can feel that tie that is smooth. Okay, it's smooth. Right, this one fell down. Okay, so I have here that tie that is smooth. And I am going to paste it right here. Yes? Okay. We have one more. And it's the back. What is the back? What property does it have? Is what? It is. It is. What? What is? Shiny. Good, Hero. It is shiny, but I have here these glasses, and they are shiny to look. They are shiny. Very good. Mariana, Juanpe, excellent. Hero, very good. They are shiny. Good, 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 good. So this one is our last property that we have. And I am going to hold my bag under the word shiny. So we just saw that some properties of materials. They can be rough, soft, hard, smooth, shiny, and we can see, we can feel, or we can measure. That's right, all the objects. But let me tell you something, that materials, they have different properties. Yes, they have many, many, many properties. Let's look. For example, I have here, I am going to make you an experiment. I have a glass of water, yes? A jar. This is a jar. And it has water. Okay, but I have some objects. And it's a plastic spoon. It's a plastic spoon. Okay, I am going to put the spoon into the water, and you are going to tell me what's going to happen with the spoon. What happened? What happened with the spoon? It is, it's too long. Okay, let me see. I have here a piece of paper because the spoon didn't work. And I am going to put the paper. What's going to happen with the paper? Can you see the paper? What happened with the... Excellent, Hero. It floats. Excellent. The paper float in when I just put the paper into the water. It float. Now, I have here red beans. Red beans. I know you like to eat red beans. What's going to happen if I just put the red beans into the water? What do you think so is going to happen? They... What happened? They sink. Excellent. Very good. So I have the word sink, that happened with the red beans, and float, like the paper. So many objects we put into the water, they can float. Or many objects that I put into the water, they can, the red beans can float. And many objects that I put into the water, they can sink, like the red bean. means they just went down. And float is when, for example, we are in the swimming pool and I can lay in the water and I float. Okay, so today we were talking about materials properties. Yes, we learned the vocabulary. I'm sorry, this fell down. We learned the vocabulary of materials properties. So we have rough, soft, hard, smooth, shiny, and we can measure, touch, and see the objects. Yes? And the two words that here they are. Float and sink. Okay? For example, if I put a table, a piece of wood in the water, what's going to happen with that piece of wood? It will sink or it will float. Who can answer me? The piece of wood will float or sink. Who can tell me? It will sink or float. I want to see the answer. If I have a piece of wood and I put it into the water, what's going to happen? It will float or it will sink. Excellent. Sink? Float? Okay, who can tell me? Who can tell me? It will float. Yes, I want you to do the experiment so you can find out if the wood will float or sink. Okay? So today we learned new words and you will have, your parents, they have all this vocabulary in the emails because Miss Jennifer sent them all the activities that we're going to do. So for the science class, you are going to copy the vocabulary that is in the emails of your parents. You're going to write down vocabulary: raw, soft, hard, smooth, shiny, measure, touch, see, sink, and float. So you can copy them in your notebook and you write them down in the notebook. And that's going to be our activity on the notebook. No more. Just copy the words of the vocabulary, make a small picture of one object, and that's it. Because the next class, we are going to continue with our materials properties. Okay? So, my little ones, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I am going to stay with your parents. We are going to talk about how we are doing. We are doing great. Excellent, everybody. And on Friday, we are going to meet. Okay, little ones? See you the next class, and I hope so you enjoy this class. Bye. Have a nice day and get rest tomorrow. Bye bye. See you